Wow, 23. Yeah, I'm actually expecting 20, less than 20. Thank you so much, everyone. Uh-huh. Kasi normally po, no, I've been doing this for more than 4 months already. Yeah. And yung trend po talaga is out of the total number in the group, there's only half of it attending the orientation. So I'm really happy tonight. Okay. And pardon me with my voice po, no. Nagkataon lang po talaga na medyo nangangati. So, yeah, sorry. And yung pre-workshop orientation po natin is I set it 9 to 9:30. Hope you are flexible, no? Normally nag-exit po ako because I really want to answer the questions of everybody after the presentation. All right? Sige. But of course, your time is your time, so you may leave if needed. Then I will record din ito. So, isi-send ko rin naman tomorrow. No? Ayan. So by the way, yung tools ko natin sa Google Meet, so yung raise hand po is yung kamay na icon. If you have something to ask or something to mention, then feel free to click this, no, para makot mo yung attention ko. And then yung like naman po, as we proceed, meron po akong mga confirmation, no, na tatanungin kung okay pa kayo, then you just need to give a thumbs up. All right, sige. So it's 9 p.m. So welcome everyone. So once again, thank you very much for your time. So welcome to our pre-workshop orientation for August 8th. So it's an AI Talking Character Creation Workshop. Okay, so my name is Iggy Kalawad. Ako po yung magiging trainer din po ninyo on Saturday. So this is my profile. Inuna ko na po, ano. So I own the AI Captain PH. And working with me are my affiliates. Actually, yung mga nagre-reply po sa inyo dun sa isang page, meron pong ano po, may kasama po ako doon, ano. Yan. And aside from having this AI service, previously and actually until now, nung gumagawa ako ng mga children's book, it's because of my children. Yeah, so I started doing this even without AI pa. Nakapag-publish na din po ako, no, sa Amazon. Although hindi masyadong kumita, but I'm proud of it because I have something to tell my son, like, this is your book. Okay, and then I'm a certified author, writer, designer din. Nakuha ko ito kay NBDP. Alright, and yung mga music po kanina, gawa ko po yun. No, I used to perform on the stage during college days. So I'm an independent musician and songwriter. So may mga kanta na rin po talaga ako even before AI. So what I'm trying to say is it amplifies, no, yung creativeness ko lalo nung dumating yung AI. So yeah, and this is my regular job, yung tatlo kong nakikita po ninyo, no, yung IT manager and the rest here. Yan, ito po yung day-to-day na ginagawa ko. Ayan, so again, thank you for trusting me at this point, no. I hope that you will learn from me during the orientation and eventually on Saturday. Ayan. So ano po ba yung objectives ng call natin? So why are we doing this, no? First is I want to build the trust. I want to build that bridge between us before we learn together. So kung papansin po ninyo, it's a two-way connection. No, that's why we have this orientation. So what I meant by that is I want you to see me, which I did already. No? I showed you my camera, I introduced myself, but I also want to get your commitment. No, kasi sayang yung ibabayad nyo kung hindi kayo committed. And at the same time, no, gusto ko na may commitment talaga. No, I mean, it's very easy to grasp knowledge or additional skills kapag committed po yung tao. Okay, so yun po yung first. I want to build the trust among us. And then secondly is, of course, no, I want you to understand yung babayaran po ninyo, your investment. It's minimal, actually, it's 500 pesos. But later, as we progress, I will show you the value, yung specific values nitong AI Talking Character Creation Workshop. Alright, ayan po. And then, lastly, is I want to eliminate itong mga gantong preparations, no, for Saturday. Ang gusto ko kasi sa Saturday is talagang we focus on the learning, the hands-on session. 2 hours po yun, but it can become 3 hours. Later on, i-explain ko kung bakit. Okay? So, ito po yung objective ng call. Yung third point ko po is yung mga logistical at preparations, yung mga questions and answers. Yan, dito po natin gagawin. Alright, sige po. So, these are the objectives. So, ano po yung makukuha nyo? First, you will get the foundational skills when you attend yung Saturday workshop about AI talking character creation. Ayan. So, if mapapansin po ninyo sa social media, maraming mga types or maraming mga forms of AI content. It can be an image, it can be a cinematic video na parang movie, mga clips na nakikita natin na kaganda-ganda. It can be educational, no? May mga gumagawa niyan, mga talking vegetable, or yung mga objects na nagsasalita. Or it can be a realistic human talking. Ito po yung madalas na ginagamit, especially ng mga business owners to promote their products and services. Ayan. So, what I'm trying to highlight here is that by attending the AI Talking Character Creation Workshop, you will get these foundational skills, yung image generation, voice creation, talking video animation, audio background creation, up to production, and up to how you can utilize free AI tools. I think I made it clear po, no, na before you join the group, it's specifically mentioned na free AI tools po yung gagamitin natin. So you'll get the knowledge and the strategies on how to utilize them among with these skills, technical skills po, no? Yan. But if you can see, meron pong nakadilaw dito, which is yung prompt direction. Yan po yung pinaka-importante sa lahat po ng mga nag-attend po sa workshop ko. Ito yung nagugustuhan po ng karamihan, no? Kasi nga, it applies to all forms of content. Again, yung bullet points po dito, yung foundational skills, it applies to all forms of contents. So meaning, pwede kang mag-create ng image, no? I mean, you can monetize from that, you can create videos, and you can create all of these stuff with these foundational skills. The reason why I term this as foundational is because just to set the expectation, you can't be a master right away after the Saturday session. Okay? Ayan. So far, okay po. Thumbs up, please, everyone. So far, okay? All right. Sige. So I'm going to move to the next slide, which is yung workshop scope. Okay, so yung workshop scope po natin, tulad po nung binanggit ko po kanina, maraming forms of AI content. So ano po yung tututukan natin? I think you are aware naman, ano, na with these forms of contents, hindi natin ito magagawa ng isang upuan. But my objective is for you to get the experience, for you to learn the foundation skills para makapag-create ng AI content in the form of the talking characters or yung avatars plus itong possibly, no? Possibly, hold on, possibly po itong one of these forms, product animation and keyword invite creation. Okay, let me explain po, no? So kung makikita nyo, naka-X po ito. Okay? Huwag po muna kayong maglilib sa group kung ito po yung target nyo, ha? And, okay? I mean sa call, no? Let me explain. Okay, so cinematic movies, hindi po tayo gagawa ng cinematic movies sa Saturday. Hindi rin po tayo gagawa ng storytelling or educational content tulad po nung nitong nasa na itong third image here on Saturday. What we're going to focus at is yung complete workflow on how to create the talking characters, all right, using these bases, using these foundational skills. All right? Kasi nga, eventually, kapag natutunan nyo na po ito, you can jump to other forms by yourselves, no? But of course, it's still really important to get engaged with other instructors. Ayan. So, yeah, that's what I'm trying to highlight here. Ito po yung focus natin. Now, as I promised, I think I mentioned in the group already in one of the pinned messages, if we reach at least 10 10 lang. 10 confirmed paying participants, no? We will add one of these bonus lessons. So what I do here is I let everyone vote for this bonus lesson. Syempre, yung boboto, yung mga nagbayad po, ha? Ayan. Okay? So, product animation or yung kiddie birthday invite creation. If we reach at least 10 confirmed participants. So, maybe you are asking or you want to see, no, kung ano po yung mga example nito. Ayan, sige, ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung mga example videos na ginagawa ko. Alright? So, first, no, you can create birthday greetings. Simulan natin dito sa kiddie birthdays. Ayan. So, yung invitation, ito po yan, no? So, I monetize from this.
Hi everyone, our little
May mga re-request ng mga images, ganyan, no? May nagre-request ng videos.
Nico is turning 5.
So, this is my method, by the way, no? Kung makikita niyo po yun sa social media, madalas nilang i-post as their service is templated. So this one is not templated, no? It will come from your own imagination. So when we say jungle, then you prompt everything here. Okay?
Please join us this Saturday, February 20th.
Alright, so hindi ko na po tatapusin, ha? Yan. And then another one, actually this one is available in my YouTube channel. Though hindi ko masyadong nalagaan yung YouTube channel ko. Yan. This is actually a backdrop for kiddie birthdays. For example, merong jungle team. Yan. You can freely use this. So there's this talking tiger followed by the music, which is ginawa ko din, no? Plus the animated background. Look at it.
Happy birthday, kiddo! Your jungle friends are all here.
The lions have come. Hey, jungle safari with monkeys.
Okay? Ayan. So, again, no, ito po is mga nanggaling dun sa foundational skills na matututunan ninyo. That's for the kiddie birthdays. Hindi ko na po i-play lahat. We need to proceed, no? Siguro, ito, yung product animation. Pakita ko sa inyo isang example. Kung sakaling ma-free up natin ito as bonus lesson, no? Ayan.
Discover the essence of nature with Natural Essence Perfume. Fresh and unforgettable. Wear confidence every day.
Okay, sa inyo isang example. Later on, siguro after the presentation, if you want to see more, then I can show some more. And then yung talking characters po, no? Yan, ito yung mga ads ko na ginamitan ko ng free AI tools. Look at this. Nangyari. Alright, it's not working. Why? Well, yung
Gusto mo bang
yung nakita niyo yung ads ko, yes, this is created using
matutong
AI.
gumawa ng AI? Ito kahit wala ang slot workshop.
Ayan, and then SpongeBob.
Ahoy there! I was created using free AI tools.
Alright, and I created a parody of the movie Taken.
I don't know who you are. I don't know what you want. If you are looking for
And to ano? Ayan. So, bigyan ko kayo ng example ng mga cinematics naman. It's still, this is using free AI tools, no? Yeah, I included myself in the movie Gladiator kay Maximus. Okay, and then a date with a Hollywood star.
Be honest, if I accidentally part in front of you, are you going
Just make sure it's funny and not deadly.
Alright, and then Avatar.
Small soul rides the wind. Fearless, joyful, and free.
Ayun, no? So, papansin nyo dito sa video na ito, sa Avatar, merong voice over. Yeah, so if you connect this to the foundational skills, again, yun po, no? Again, magagamit niyo po ito lahat sa mga any types, any forms of AI contents. It's just that I need to have a title in my ads and I need to have a focus para po hindi kayo ma-lost, hindi kayo malito, no? Dun sa form ng AI content na gagawin nyo when you understand everything here. Okay? Sige, if later if time permits, I can show some more. Okay, let me proceed, no? So, ano yung income opportunities natin? So first, of course, you can create advertisements for your business or for others' business. No, you can take this as a part-time job, side job, or even a full-time job. Okay, and then create contents in Facebook, in social media. Ito is sikat na sikat ngayon. I think marami ng mga content creators nakakakuha ng maraming likes using AI as the tool. And then you can sell your avatars or token characters, or you can become a freelance of AI content creator, and a lot more here listed here, no? You can produce educational AI videos. May mga participants ako before na doktor. Ayan, yeah, doctors, and then they created something na educational about health. No, yung mga vegetable talking. And of course, if you are okay to do workshops or yung coaching sessions tulad ng ginagawa ko po ngayon, then you may follow this activity. It's okay with me, no, if you want to do this. I think hindi pa talaga siya totally saturated. Yeah, hindi pa. Sobrang actually mga inquiries ko napakadami po talaga. And then 50 lang po yung at this point 50 yung nagpadagdag. Nagpa-add dun sa group. Yeah, so yan po yung mga income opportunities ko natin. And may mga questions, no, before. Can I really do this? Most of the time, ang nagtatanong po ito is yung mga bata-bata pa, mga estudyante, or yung mga senior po natin, ano? Yeah. So, the answer is yes, you can. You really, really can. No, kasi po, it is designed na matutunan nyo step by step. So, it's an I do, you follow approach yung ginagamit ko po dito when I teach everything. Okay? And then, minimal technical jargons lang naman po ang gagamitin natin for you to easily understand. No? Hindi kayong malost kung saang corner na ba tayo nagkiklik, no? Anong word po yung hinahanap natin, ano yung ginagawa natin. Ayan. And then, hands-on practice. So I'm expecting everyone that you will really do the hands-on. So hindi ito webinar, no? Hindi ito tutorial sa social media na you will just watch one way. No, in a short period of time, sasabihin nila na ito, ganito lang gumawa niyan. But in reality, you're not learning. Okay? So it is a hands-on session. It's a real experience. Even though it's online, I will make sure that you will experience the best way on how to do stuff. Okay, so you'll create alongside me instead of just watching, and the feedback says it all. Okay, ito po yung basihan ko na to make me confident to tell you na you can really do this. Okay, yan po. Ito is mga ano lang po ito, some of the feedback from the previous participants. I have a lot already because I'm doing this more than 4 months already. Yeah, so highlight ko lang po yung mga very specific yung experience nila and yung sobrang happy po nila, no? One of these comments from the senior. Yeah. Okay. Yung unang-una po, this one. And this one is from a student. And just to tell you po, no, meron akong student participant na binalikan niya ako, nag-message siya, he's very thankful kasi nga po, na-accept siya dun sa part-time job, summer job. Estudyante po siya, summer job about real estate. Yan. So, nagamit niya po yung skill to provide something using AI tools. Okay, ayan po. So, ito po yung mga feedback. Hopefully po, no, ma-convince ko kayo if you are really willing to really join the session on Saturday. So what you will receive, yan, kung hindi po sila masyadong convinced, ito pa po, no, what you'll receive, first, I will provide the entire PDF copy of the slides na gagamitin po natin. So when I say slides, it contains the step-by-step guide on how to do things, okay? And then I will provide you the recording of the session. I will upload this in YouTube, but it's set to private. Okay, that is to protect my program and of course to make sure na kung sino po yung nagbayad, sila lang po yung makakapag-access. Alright, and then it's email-based access. So, kung magko-continue po sila, I want you to have the Gmail account. Ayan. Especially yung Gmail account na ginagamit po sa YouTube. Ayan. And then, of course, we have a certificate. But I encourage everyone to have sample output. It's not mandatory naman po, no? Kasi baka matakot kayo. Hindi naman po siya mandatory. If you can't provide an output after the session, it's okay. But I encourage everyone to really have something. Ayan. And then, a bonus lesson. Tulad po na sinabi ko, i-vote lang po natin kung ano yung gusto nyong maging bonus lessons. I'm changing bonus lessons po weekly. Yan. But of course, I let the participants decide, and most of the time, ang nagiging bonus lesson is product animation. Alam niyo po kung bakit? Yeah. So my question, what time on Saturday? Yeah, ma'am, the time is 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. for the talking character creation. But if we unlock the bonus lesson, it will become 3 to 6 p.m. Yeah, and please be very flexible. Minsan po, nag-exceed ng kaunti. Alright? Ayan, so ano ba yung tanong ko kanina? Ayan, alam niyo po ba kung bakit product animation most of the time yung gusto nilang bonus lesson? Because you can use this product animation for affiliate partnership, affiliate marketing. Yeah, if you're not aware po, no, sa Facebook, if you have at least 1,000 followers, it will be unlocked sa Facebook page nyo or sa Facebook account nyo. You can do affiliate marketing. So meaning you can sell, you can create creatives, no? And then mag-appear doon yung link ng product from Shopee or Lazada. And then you can earn commission from that. Ayan. Okay, so hopefully, I'm hoping na product animation din yung magustuhan niya. But it's up to you, no? Ayan. So again, ito po yung first 4 bullet. May explain ako dun sa 3 bullet here. So I mentioned here, join Saturday session for review or practice. So meaning when you pay me once now or until Friday, by the way, deadline ko is Friday evening. Ayan po, no? If you pay 500 pesos, so meaning you are allowed to join yung Saturday. Just in case, for whatever reason na hindi po kayo makaka-attend ng Saturday, it is okay. No, it is okay. I will still send you the recording. All right? And what's best is I will still allow you to join the next Saturday session. Kasi po regular session ko po ito, Saturday 3 to 5 p.m. Itong Talking Character Creation Workshop. Okay? Ayan. So hindi po kayong malulungkot just in case may changes of schedule on your end. You can always return to me and join every Saturday. Now, what if nag-join naman po kayo? Hold on. What if nag-join naman po kayo and then ng Saturday and then you want to practice pa by next week? It's okay. I will still allow you. Just tell me. It's that simple. Okay? Ayan. So, aside from that, it's a repeat pala, no? So, you can get the free access to bonus items. So, meaning when we join next week, and then iba po yung napagbotohan na bonus lesson, then you have the privilege, no, to access that bonus lesson as well. Aside from just reviewing or practicing, makaka-access kayo ng bonus item. Sounds good? Okay po ba? Thumbs up, please. Yeah, all right. Sige. So merong dilaw po dito, no? Other surprises. Ayan. I'm actually building how to say, it's not a community po, no? Kasi I can't commit yet. Kasi daily, I have my regular job. But when time permits, kapag may bakanting oras po ako, itong other surprises, I provide free lesson. Yeah, I did this already yesterday. Opo. No, sorry, I hindi ko na po muna kayo in-invite kasi most of the time, yung free lesson po dito is a continuation, no, nung Saturday session. All right, so eventually you will have access to this pa rin naman. But again, it's not a commitment from me po, ha. Yan, kapag nagkaroon lang po ng sobrang oras sa time as well, sa schedule ko, I give other surprises. Yung tinuro ko po kahapon is about product storyboard. Yeah, with animation. Okay? Yeah, wag po kayo mag-alala, by next week, yeah, mag-provide po ulit ako ng free lesson. Okay. Yeah, so let me check the chat window. Let me pause from here. All right. Currently using my daughter account. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Yeah, it's okay. Ma'am Angeline. Okay, ma'am Mimi. Yeah, noted po. Sige. So wala pa po masyadong question, no? So let me proceed for now. Okay, ready to join na po ba? If not, if yes, sorry. If not, then you can always ask questions in the group. But if yes, let's proceed to the workshop setup. Okay, yung workshop setup, I know everyone is aware naman no, kung ano po yung gagamitin nyo, saan kayo uupo, at ano yung mga kailangan nyo. But this is just a reinforcement. This is just to remind you of these simple points na posibleng kapag wala ito, hindi maging seamless yung experience nyo. One is laptop or desktop. This is my recommendation. Question, can you attend using mobile phone? It's okay. It's okay. It's totally okay. But for the best experience, if you can, if you have, please use laptop or desktop. Okay? And then make sure you have a good internet. Yan po yung backbone po natin. Without the internet, even if you have everything here, hindi kayo maka-join or mapuputol-putol kayo. So please make sure you have the stable internet and backup mobile data. Okay, yung backup mobile data, ganito po yan. Explain ko po ano. In one of the platforms na gagamitin natin, it's very strange and seldom, not seldom, let me correct that. It's very strange and rare na may mga participants ko ako before, isa, dalawa out of the total number of attendees na may platform na they are not allowed. No, and the error is because of their IP address was tagged with an unusual activity. Okay, so again, I don't want you to get interrupted as much as possible. If you have your phone with you, with data, with load, please keep it beside you. Okay, just in case lang naman po. Again, it's rare. All right, and then browsers, Chrome or Edge. Well, it's my personal experience. I'm very good with Chrome or Edge. May mga ilan lang po na participants na nagkakaroon ng problem. Hindi nila makita yung button, meron text na nawawala. That's because of the version ng browsers. But if you think yung computer po ninyo is always online and yung Windows update is good, I mean, it's always running regularly, then you're good. Okay? Ayan. And then, charger ready. Optional yung headset para po marinig po nila ako ng mabuti. And then notepad. Yes, we need the notepad. So if you're not pretty familiar with notepad, you can use yung any text editing tool. So when I say text editing tool, pwedeng Word document, pwedeng yung open source na text editing tool, basta makapag-type po kayo. No? It's part of the hands-on session. May kailangan pa yung i-type. But don't worry, baka kung isipin nyo, kailangan nyo i-type yung prompt, no? Baka ma-discourage na kayo. Yung mga prompts kahaba-haba po niyan. Don't worry. Yeah, I'll teach you the most efficient way to do it. Okay, and then Gmail account. Yeah, so in Gmail account, if I may request everyone to check as early as now, na make sure na ito po yung Gmail account in your YouTube account. Yan, kasi nga po, yung recording, i-upload yan sa YouTube and I set up the access via Gmail account. Okay. So yun po yung workshop setup po natin. And then for the preparation checklist, actually po, no, after this session, earliest by tomorrow morning, I will send the document consisting the links of all these platforms. Okay? Wag po natin gawin ngayon. Baka po kasi maubos na tayo ng oras. So ito po yung mga platforms. Ito po yung mga platforms na gagamitin natin. I want to mention very important thing here, no, about these platforms. Lahat po ng platform na nakikita nyo ngayon sa screen, even the platforms na you can see in the social media, lahat po yan business. Okay? Everything is business. yung platform, yung GUI o yung graphical user interface na nakikita natin na enticing, simple, na kunyari libre. Well, it's hindi kunyari. May libre talaga. That's the free taste version, no? So yun yung gagamitin natin, free AI tools. Okay, strategy yan ng mga business owners na kapag nagustuhan nyo yung products nila, eventually when you go all out, no? I mean, if you want to continue doing the business, then you will decide if you will subscribe. Okay? So lahat po yan. Kasi po lahat ito may mga machines, malalaking mga machines in the back end running. No? They maintain it. And of course, they need profit. Okay? Ayan. So lahat po yan business, but in our Saturday session, please do not subscribe. Kung nakasubscribe na kayo, it's okay. No? Don't bother. Kung may nakasubscribe sa Canva or sa Google, it's all right. Now, if wala pong nakasubscribe here, please do not subscribe because I want to show you yung workflow on how to use the free AI tools to create contents. In fact po, no, yung AI page po, lahat po ng contents doon, I use free AI tools. Yeah, totoo po yan. Okay, wala pa po akong subscription, kundi sa Canva. Yung subscription ko po kasi sa Canva, as I told you po, no, I'm creating children's book before. Yun po yung ginagamit ko. But eventually, si Canva nag-improve. May mga AI technologies na rin po. So, yung free tools ng Canva, we can utilize as well. Okay, kung nakasubscribe na po ma'am sa Canva, this is your advantage. More advantage because it gives you more features. But ma'am, no, if Ma'am Riza, and everyone, no, just to remind you po, no, during the session on Saturday, ang gagawin po natin is free features po muna. Okay? All right. Sige po. So ito po yung preparation checklist. Magbibigay po ako ng file sooner dun sa links na i-access nyo. This is in preparation before Saturday. So, hopefully, if you're decided now, yan, kapag send ko po sa inyo, gawin nyo na po, no? Ayan. Alright, baka po magtaka kayo, I have here Imagine X awaiting update. Okay. Quick story po, no? Yung Imagine X, this is the platform that I've been using for so long sa creating animations and even the talking characters. Ayan. Dalawa po yan, Google Flow and yung Imagine X. Google Flow gives you 50 credits daily. Alright? And on Saturday, I will explain naman po, no, kung ano po yung magagawa nila and kung paano natin gagamitin yung 50 credits daily. Yung Imagine X, it gives it gives everyone, or it will give you X number of credits daily and nag-accumulate po siya. So meaning na nasi-save, no? Ayan. So for example, you create an account in Imagine X, it provides 10 credits and kinabukasan magbibigay siya ng another 5 credits. On the 7th day, magbibigay siya ng 10 credits. Ayan po, kaya lang nagkaroon ng update, no? Nagkaroon ng update. Hindi po siya nagbibigay ng credits ngayon. I'm still awaiting for the update. I even contacted their technical support on this. Wala pa po silang binibigyan na announcement. But I will include this, no? I will include this in the Saturday session para makita nyo how powerful also itong Imagine X. Maganda po yan. Alright, sige. Ayun po. So again, do not subscribe. Wait for my instructions. Isesend ko po siya sa group natin. And yung schedule, so ulitin ko lang, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. po yan normally. Pero once we reach at least 10 paying participants, then we will officially announce na magiging 3 to 6 p.m. po siya. But I suggest, please set the expectation na posibleng mag-exceed. No? Yeah, hindi po kasi ako humihinto na hindi po nasa-satisfy yung tanong ng tao. Okay, so plus 1 hour bonus lesson. And an early reminder to everyone, join 10 to 15 minutes because as what we did tonight, we start right away at exactly 3 p.m. sa Saturday. Kapag na-late po sila, hindi ko po kayo mababalikan. No? Hindi ko po ma-check yung group natin kapag nagkaroon kayo ng problem. Yung iba po, akala po nila is they will just join in, and then they're not expecting na nagkakaroon pala sila ng problema. So much better you try to join at least 10, well, I said 10 minutes, but if you can, 15 minutes early. No? Okay? Ayan. So let me check the chat window. Hold on. May required specs po ba ang laptop? Okay. To answer this, ma'am, how to say? Wala naman po. Wala naman pong required specs. As long as you can browse the internet properly, and then, okay, ayoko lang po mag-provide ng confusion, ano? Case-to-case basis po kasi. Even if you have a good laptop with you, and then good specs of the computer with you, pero yung environment po ng computer nyo is maraming nakabukas na applications or systems simultaneously, there's an effect in the performance. No? Now, what I'm trying to say is, don't get confused po, no? Yung platforms na gagamitin po natin, hindi po natin gagamitin yan ng sabay-sabay. One at a time lang po. So that's why my answer to the question, may required specs po ba ang laptop? The normal specs, no? I mean, if you have 4 GB RAM, it will work. When I say RAM, it's the memory po ng laptop, no? On how many applications it can handle simultaneously. And if you are using, say, i3, the processor, kung aware po sila, no, sa versions, you can check it in the computer naman po, ano? It's okay. Yeah, it's really okay. All right. What else? What is nakasubscribe? Okay, nasagot ko na po ito. Wala po ba pre-record? Okay, ma'am, about sa pre-record. Wala po tayong pre-record, ma'am, because what we're going to do is during the live session, we will record it. No? And then after the session, i-upload ko po sa YouTube, and then I will share that to everyone. But, ayun po, no, in case late or may problem sa signal. Yeah, I will really regret it if that happens to you. But don't worry po, no, yung recording is full naman po yan. So yung mga part na naantala po sila, you can just always return back to the recording. If not satisfied, then just return to me the next Saturday. I will welcome you to the next Saturday session. Okay po? Okay? Sige. So next po tayo. Ayan. So if you're decided na, so you can reserve your slot now. Ito po yung details ko. So I set the deadline to August 7. That's Friday at 6 p.m. And kasi po, meron pa akong other activities beyond 6 p.m. Ayan. And then, I actually have another workshop. Okay po. Yan. By the way po, no, meron po akong ino-offer na ibang workshops. Pero hindi ko na po muna binabanggit in the group, no, sa group natin, kasi I don't want to complicate things, and I don't want to confuse you. No, kasi nga po, yung foundational skills na gusto kong ituro is everything nandun sa AI Talking Character Creation Workshop. But I have this I have this workshop. It's happening this Friday about image. Okay, hold on. Asan na yun? This one. Okay. Yeah, papakita ko lang po, ano. Yan. So I have this. I really recommend po, no, na after if you're interested here, after the Saturday session, saka ko po kayo i-welcome. But if you will insist na gusto nyo mag-join this Friday and gusto nyo rin mag-join sa Saturday, then it's okay. No, I will accept you naman. So by the way, ito po yung AI image generation and manipulation. It's more of the image strategies, styles, methods, no, using your own image in creating cinematics. Okay. Yan. Yung mga interesting topics po dito is about image compositing and reverse prompt engineering. Yan. We can discuss this some other time. Yan. Pinahapyawan ko lang po, no? So that's why I need to set the deadline early because of that activity. And Saturday naman, even though it's 3 p.m., I have, family matters in the morning, first thing in the morning. Okay, so deadline po natin is August 7 at 6 p.m. And you may send your confirmation, PM nyo po sa akin, or you can send in the group, whichever is comfortable. Okay, and then no cancellation po tayo, ha? And then workshop fee is minimal lang po naman siguro sa inyo to, no? 500 PHP, and ito po yung GCash details ko. If you want to scan, then you can scan. Okay, so while I'm sharing this screen, I will attend to the questions. Excuse me. You may actually unmute your mic now po, no? This is the end of my slide. Yeah. So, pwede ho ba di lang muna mag-participate and makinig lang muna? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am Lilibet. It's okay. It's just, I encourage everyone, but of course, kung ano po yung most comfortable, kung ano po yung mas comfortable sa inyo, dun po tayo, no? I mean, I support you on that. Okay. And then, Ma'am Geraldine, workshop fee covers only one session. No, ma'am. Well, hold on. In workshop fee, it covers the entire Saturday AI talking character creation workshop. So meaning you can attend this Saturday, and if you want to attend again the next Saturday, it's okay. No, yung pinakita ko po kanina, that's a totally different topic about image generation. It's more of enhancing your skills in terms of image manipulation. So that's another fee. Again, 500 din po, no, yung sa image. Okay? Ayan. Sige, any questions? You can unmute po. Please let me know. Para po, yeah, I'm sure to answer those questions. Makapag-decide po kayo ng mabuti. Sir Romeo, yes, you are raising your hand, sir. Sir Romeo? You can unmute the mic po, just in case you're talking. Alright, wala. Wala naman. Ma'am Angeline, thank you. Any other questions? Would you like to see? Sige, while you are thinking of the questions, maybe I show the other examples po, no, dun sa AI contents. Yeah, this one is, I mentioned about the affiliate partnership po, no? Ito yung example, one example. By the way, this is a real product na po, ha? Yeah, it's a real product. And I added a follow through to instruction here, shop now. Kapag pinost niyo po kasi sa FB, nagkakaroon ako ng link papunta doon sa Shopee. And so when the viewer purchase, no, an item, then you get the commission. Alright, play ko lang. Ito po yung combination ng animation, ng product animation plus the voiceover plus yeah.
Every step begins with confidence. Designed for everyday comfort, effortless style, and all-day versatility. Whether you're on the move or out with friends, walk with confidence wherever you go. Step into comfort, step into style. Shop now.
Okay, and ito po, this one, I regularly post in my FB page. Yan. It's an inspirational short content lang naman. But I use DreamWorks art style here. Okay. Ayan, so marami pong gumagawa nito and nakakakuha sila ng maraming likes and followers din, no? With this kind of stuff. What else? Ayan, birthday greeting from Hollywood Store. Ito po, no, ginawan ko po ng birthday greeting yung mom ko.
Birthday, Nelia. May this new year bring you exciting adventures.
Simple moments that become life and always. And the love of your family surround you. Days with the people who love. Nelia, I hope your heart is filled with kindness.
Ayan po, no? So, syempre sa dulo nun is yung papa ko. And then what else? Kinematics, I showed everything here. Paludarium. Ito nakikita niyo po sa social media. Though yung resolution po na nakuha ko is less lang. So, ayan, and then, okay, let me check the chat window. Will there be another? Okay, wait. Okay. Ilang session po yung talking image? Same setup, Ma'am Geraldine. No? You can join Friday, and then, once you're paid for Friday, you can join the next Friday for another practice or review. May iba pa po ba lesson on short video creation? Actually, ayan po, thank you for the question, Ma'am Geraldine. No? Short video creation. Yung AI image po, yung topic about AI image generation and manipulation, at the end of the items or the topics ng workshop na yun, I include yung animation. Yeah, short video creation. If that's referring to that, if that's what are you referring to, Ma'am Geraldine, no? Yung short video creation. Yeah, pag sinabi po natin short video creation, marami pa pong subcategories. So I really need to know kung ano po yung target po nila or yung objective nila on this. Okay? Ayan, kasi po let me tell you, when you are referring to short video creation, actually sobrang tedious po niyan. Hold on. Okay, wait po ha. May papakita po ako. I tried the cinematics, actually. Meron po akong cinematics dito. And then, it takes me a week or two. Even, yeah, sobrang tagal po gawin. If you're trying to create yung movie-like video creation, I will tell everyone now na hindi po siya ganun kadaling gawin. Ito ba, pakita ko sa inyo example. That's why I need to be very, very clear of the scope, no? Kasi baka ito po yung ina-expect ninyo, then hindi po natin magagawa right away. No? It will really need some time. Baka nga po more than a day, or more than 2 hours or 3 hours. Maybe it's a 3-day setup. Ito po example na ginawa ko pong animation. Until now, hindi pa po siya tapos.
Dead rise to claim the world of the living. The undead mind.
Ayun po, no? Yeah, so free AI tools po 'yan. Lahat po 'yon. Lahat ng frames na ginamit ko po doon is free AI tools. So hindi po ganoon kadali. So kaya I really need to know the details when we say short video creation. Okay, ayan. Another question, hold on. May iba po ba lesson? Sorry. Will there be another schedule of tomorrow? Ma'am Janice, yung workshop po is Saturday po, no? Hindi po tomorrow. Okay, let me clarify. Yung Friday session, it's about AI image generation and manipulation. And the Saturday one is the talking character creation. Ayan po. So, for the question, will there be another schedule? Yes, it's a regular weekly schedule po. Friday and Saturday. And by the way po, no, everyone, just to share to you as well, na very soon, i-offer ko rin po yung children's book creation. If interested po sila. Isasama ko po doon sa children's book creation on how to get certified sa NBDB, National Book Board Development, no? And then how to upload sa Amazon, where you can sell your book as ebooks, digital, or yung printed. Ayan, if interested po sila, you can ping me for your interest. And AI din po ba ang voiceover? Okay, Ma'am Risa, ang voiceover po, yes, it's AI. But to answer yung sariling boses natin, it's doable. Kaya lang po, as for the tools na ginagamit ko ngayon, siguro, hindi ko lang po na-explore ang lahat-lahat. Hindi po siya available in free tools. Available lang po siya sa subscription. I'm referring to 11 Labs. And 11 Labs po is one of the most popular platform for the voiceover. But of course, yung 11 Labs, it gives us 10,000 credits on a monthly basis where we can use, where we can create voiceovers or even yung boses ng talking character. By the way, no, ito po, no, surprise po ito. I found a way to create voiceovers without consuming credits. Legit po yan. So attend on Saturday and I will let you know how it's done. Okay? Yeah, I really found a way. Yeah, so question, lahat po yan ituturo during the Saturday session. Ma'am Geraldine, to be very clear po, no, yung mga pinakita ko pong video kanina, yung mga examples, is hindi po lahat yun, ma'am. I mean, we have the focus. So going back po, no, dun sa slide natin, ito po yung focus topics po natin. Yan. Kasi po, kung i-fit in natin in 3 hours, itong lahat ng ito, baka po malito lang po sila or ma-confuse po kayo. So better, we have the focus, the talking character, wherein you will understand the complete workflow and get the foundational skills. Ito po yun. Yan po. Okay. Sige. Any other question? Balik lang po ako dito sa details. Baka po gusto niyo na rin mag-settle, it's okay. But ayun po, no, wala naman pong, hindi ko po kayo force. If you're not joining, then it's okay. It's just that, ito po, no, early reminder lang na if you're not joining, I will clean up the group by 10 p.m. ng August 7. So meaning, ang matitira po sa group is yung mga paid participants po, of course. Alright? Ayan. Okay, any other questions, everyone? Lastly, let me show my face again. Ayan, para makita niyo po ako. Hi, everyone. Okay, so if you want to show yourself, okay lang din. So I can see you also. Hopefully to meet all of you by Saturday. Okay. Any other comments or questions?
I have a question.
Yeah, how to join po is just stay in the group and then settle the payment, ma'am, and I will provide the meeting link upon payment. Okay? After this session, gagawin ko na po yung meeting link natin for Saturday. But, ganito po, no? Baka po may mag-message po sa akin beyond 11 p.m. Baka hindi ko na po kayo ma-replyan kasi po sa bahay ko, I set 11 p.m. mag-shutdown yung internet. This is for my children. I think you know why. Okay? Yeah, ayoko silang nakatutok magdamag. Yes, every Friday, Ma'am Lilibet. Sir Albert, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ay, may questions pa po. Pala ako na-skip. Sorry. Hindi ko na-scroll. Hold on. Sa language, pati Tagalog, meron mga local dialect. Okay. Yeah, this is a very interesting question, Sir Jordan. Everyone, there's a question sa language, pati Tagalog, meron. So, mga local dialect, kaya din. Okay. 2 answers. First answer, using Google Flow, yung voice na pwedeng gamitin, to be honest, is set for English language, no? But of course, there's a workaround na you can make it look like Tagalog. Meaning, even if you're using that English language, ilagay nyo Tagalog sa prompt kung ano yung kasabihin ng tao, mangyayari pa rin naman po. It's just that may mga instances, no, na naiislang. Hindi na napopronounce ng tama. Kaya po meron po tayong tinatawag na bye. Yan. So that's one of the method, no, binabaybay po yan. Para sigurado na yung Tagalog is masabi ng tama. Okay? That's for Google Flow. Now for Imagine X, no, yung Imagine X, meron po, may Tagalog. Yes. So merong Tagalog dialect na pwedeng piliin. And I will show you by Saturday. Okay? 11 Labs. Ay, sorry. Ayan, napagpalit ka na. I'm referring to 11 Labs, sir. Not Imagine X. Okay, may Tagalog po. Okay. So, Ma'am Janice, thank you, yeah. Sir, yung Friday session, magkano workshop fee? Yung Friday po is 500 din, sir, no? Yeah. You can PM me na lang po. Wag na lang po sa group. Everyone, if you're interested to join the Friday session, please PM me, no? Para po hindi humalo dun sa group natin sa Saturday, sa Talking Character Creation. Okay, Ma'am Geraldine, thank you. Every Friday, okay, umulit. Thank you, Sir Albert, for the interest. Yeah, I'll count you in. If mag-attend sa Friday, another bite. Ma'am Risa, yes po. Friday and Saturday are totally different topics po talaga. Yeah. Ito po, no, I really don't want to info overload you, no. Tama ba yung sinabi ko? I want to get you, ano mga tamang term? Yeah, I'm lost for words, pero ayoko ma-info overload kayo. That's why I mentioned earlier na if you want, you can attend the Saturday first and then return and attend the Friday. Yeah, but well, it's up to you po, no? Kasi meron po mga participants na ganun, gusto nila mag-join muna one at a time. Yung covered po is for Friday. Okay, Ma'am Carol, yung covered po ng 500. Okay, ganito po, no? Yung Friday session is 500. And then, okay, again, yung Friday session na AI image generation and manipulation, that's 500. And then yung Saturday po na AI talking character creation, that's another 500 po. Kasi po 3 hours yan, ma'am. Yeah, 3 hours yung Saturday, and then yung 2 hours yung Friday, but I want to make everyone happy. I extend most of the time to share the animation part then. Hindi po talaga kasama yung animation sa image generation, but yeah, masaya lang ako na mag-share. Additional time lang naman po yun for everyone to be happy. And then next week, yan, i-announce ko na lang po sa group, no, kung anong oras yung pwede ako mag-provide ng free lesson. Yes, I do that. I give free lesson. Ma'am Lilibet, mag-pay na po kayo ng 1 week. Okay, pwede ma'am. Thank you. Yeah, thank you for that. Thank you. And I'll make sure na you'll get the links. Yes po, yung cut-off po ng August 7 payment is for Saturday. Yeah, for Friday, it's okay. It's okay. For Friday, you can pay latest. Ano na po? Friday na din. It's alright. Okay. Yung sa Friday po is 8 to 10 p.m. I have a group already actually. So, please PM me. No? Please everyone, yung mag-join po ng Friday, PM niyo po ako and then i-add ko po kayo sa group. Okay, Sir Albert. Yeah, thank you. Thank you po. Yung Friday, by the way, mag-prepare po kayo ng magandang picture po ninyo, no? Kasi gagamitin niyo po yon to transform yourself into a cinematic visuals. Ayan. Okay, ma'am. Thank you po. Thank you. Thank you, Ma'am Geraldine. Everyone, thank you so much. Yeah, may ibang tanong pa po? About me, it's okay. I really want you to know me first before the Saturday or Friday session. And seeing you here, even though not camera, no, high profile pictures lang it. I appreciate it. Thank you. Okay. What else? Yeah, yun lang naman po. Any other else? Everyone? Ayan, 10 p.m. na. I can exceed if you want to ask something more. I can stay. But if you have some other thing to do or you need to rest, then it's okay. You can leave the call. Okay, so let me just thank you once again, everyone. Thank you for attending. Thank you for your participation. And thank you for listening. And thank you for all the questions. I appreciate them because I know that you are committed. No, so yung mga committed people, yan po yung mga gusto kong pagbigyan next week for the free lesson. Okay? So thank you. Thank you, everyone. Yeah, you may leave the call now. I can stay for a bit if just in case may gusto pong magtanong. Okay, salamat po. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, ma'am. See you. Salamat po.
Salamat po, sir.
Thank you, sir. Umiinom lang po ako ng tea, baka pumulan ako ng boses. Hi, Ma'am Joy, I'm still here. Diba? Gagamit din po ba ng prompts sa paggawa ng animation? Yes. Yes, Ma'am Joy. You need prompts in all phases of the creation. Pero I use prompt direction. Yan po. Yan po yung pinakamagandang matututunan po nyo sa Saturday. Prompt direction. It's always been prompt direction. Baka lang po hindi sinasabi ng ibang mga influencers sa social media, but they're using that method actually. Okay? Ayan. Sige po. Salamat po, Ma'am Joy. Everyone, I see you Saturday. Okay, so we can continue the communication in the group. Thank you so much. Leaving now. Bye-bye.